di creare uno stato.
No, non siamo noi, fra. Wow, why you?
两种过车，这个博物院后面有一个加油站，把我们车子撞了，还在撞呢，这个人。一辆车子是无价。啊？他开车在撞呢，对。他开车的。有辆这个越野车。
喝酒的
可能。不知道，反正现在他一个人在撞来撞去的嘛，开辆车子。
Wow. Okay. Party's over. I gotta go help you, buddy. Oh, are you okay, man?
Yeah.
I saw you run into all kinds of stuff, dude.
Then shut up.
Yeah. Okay, man.
Okay.
Are you okay?
Are you a cop?
No, sir.
Okay.
Young men had already been chosen for the dangerous duty of decoying the soldiers. 2 Cheyennes, 2 Arapahoes, and 2 from each of the 3 Sioux divisions, Oglalas, Miniconjous, and Brulés. Crazy Horse, Hump, and Little Wolf were the leaders, while the decoys mounted and started off toward Lodge Trail Ridge. The main body of warriors moved down the Bozeman Road. Patches of snow and ice lay along the shady sides of the ridges, but the day was bright, the air cold and dry. About 3 miles from the fort, where the road ran along a narrow ridge and descended to Peno Creek, they began laying a great ambush. The Cheyennes and Arapahoes took the west side. Some of the Sioux hid in a grassy flat on the opposite side. Others remained mounted and concealed themselves behind 2 rocky ridges. By mid-morning, almost 2,000 warriors were waiting there for the decoys to bring the bluecoats into the trap. While the war party was making its feint against the wood train,